Today, Professor Dr. Gufran Beg is superannuating after long, successful and enriching scientific career at Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune. In this 25 golden years of dedication, determination and development of atmospheric chemistry in India, which motivated the next generations of scientists across India. Dr. Gufran Beg joined Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, Pune in the year of 1996. With his joining at IITM Pune, a new research venture was established, that was, studies related to impact of increasing ozone precursors on the surface ozone over India. With him came the new ideas, avenues and resources, which changed the course of research in IITM. For the first time, IITM Pune saw an advanced server for climate modeling in combination with an advanced state-of-art ozone pollution monitoring laboratory with a set of instruments used for ozone precursor. With this combination of chemistry modeling and observation started an era of comprehensive science which will lead to many important findings later on through his efforts. The year 1999 to 2000 was very special for atmospheric and climate science in India with the INDOX campaign. Dr. Beg was actively participating in the campaign, particularly leading the modeling part of it. It was around 2001, chemistry climate modeling was initiated at IITM and, if we may say, in India. Starting from 2003, the pollution monitoring laboratory came in existence, paving a way in India, which was followed by many, about having a comprehensive laboratory setup. This zeal for science was further enhanced by systematic and well-developed field measurement campaigns in sugar factories around Pune for improved understanding of local sources of pollution contributing to surface ozone. This would pave the road for others, particularly his students, to follow the path in years to come. While at one end the research related to ozone was shaping up, he continued to work on one of his other keen interests, which was related to upper atmosphere. A paper investigating the mesospheric temperature trend made a path-breaking research related to upper atmospheric temperature trend and, for the first time, linked it to anthropogenic activities. Needless to say, this paper garnered the global attention and was praised on various scientific platforms and grabbed the prestigious World Meteorological Organization Norbert Gerbier's MUM International Award in 2005. Another important milestone to occur in his life and for IITM were two important meetings hosted by IITM together in March 2006. The WCRP and IGBP meeting saw the who's who of climate world visiting IITM Pune. This meeting for the first time gave a platform to research students from IITM Pune and India to interact with top-notch scientists from all across the globe. Dr. G.B. Pant, then director of IITM Pune, gave the entire responsibility to his trusted aide, Dr. Beg, to make this meeting as a grand success. Eminent scientists and professors all across the globe were present at this meeting, including a leading figure from India, Professor A.P. Mitra. Year 2006 was the turning point in Dr. Beg's career, when his contribution to science was recognized at highest possible level in India. He received the prestigious Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award for his contribution to atmospheric science in India. He was the first recipient of this award from IITM. It was the turning point in the history of India that an atmospheric chemist was recognized for his immense contribution. His work by now had started getting recognition on national scale and paved the road for the fact that more and more students getting inspired to take atmospheric science as a career. In the year 2007, he mentioned, "We do not have many dedicated and structured degree programs for atmospheric science in India, and there's going to be a huge requirement for climate scientists in years to come." He was awarded Maharana Uday Singh National Award in 2007 for his immense contribution and mentorship in atmospheric sciences. In 2008, he was awarded Certificate of Merit Award by Ministry of Earth Science for his immense contribution in atmospheric chemistry. And in 2009, he was elected as a Fellow of prestigious Indian Academy of Sciences. When Commonwealth Games were proposed to be hosted in Delhi in the year of 2010, air quality of Delhi was major concern. it was during this time that air pollution was seen as an important problem. There was a need to forecast pollution for better understanding of problem we are facing today as well as tomorrow. A pollution forecasting system was developed and deployed during Commonwealth Games in Delhi 2010. With this, another milestone was achieved for atmospheric chemistry and air pollution in India. A dedicated and advanced portal combining the data from network of pollution monitoring stations with chemistry climate model was used for forecasting the pollution over Delhi. It was named as System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research, SAFAR as it is fondly known. In coming years, SAFAR expanded over to Pune in 2013, Mumbai in 2015 and to Ahmedabad in 2017, covering all the major metropolitan cities of India. 2011, his program SAFAR was additionally recognized by WMO and he was facilitated by Certificates of Innovation by World Meteorological Organization. He also conferred Golden Jubilee Award by IITM in recognition of his services towards institute. Along with devoting his time towards fundamental research, Dr. Baig has always wished and aimed to dedicate his time to bring science to the benefit of common man. He always believed and followed research should not only be limited to publishing papers but also brought in terms of policy so that common man can get benefit of it. While SAFAR is a prime example of that, he further worked with various governments, local bodies, NGOs and other bodies of scientific repute to disseminate valuable scientific information, understandable and beneficial to common man. He closely worked with governments of Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh on national levels and with government of Nepal on various aspects of air pollution in particular. The most successful one is developing high-resolution emission inventories for various cities of aforementioned states. These emission inventories is one of the most scientifically outstanding contributions, helping to drastically improve the performance of regional chemistry models. Very few people are aware that throughout his life, he has been very passionate about teaching. Recognizing his research contribution, his excellent research abilities and outstanding teaching skills, Amity University conferred honorary professorship on Dr. Baig. The idea of field measurement campaign is at the core and very essential for studying the air pollution and atmospheric chemistry. And this idea needed a deep rooting in the scientific community to appreciate the importance of observational data for model validations. He has made a tremendous progress in terms of enhancing understanding and implementing the much needed policies which were backed by strong science in abating air pollution in India. Such a stupendous progress in atmospheric science in India is combined and dedicated efforts of various organizations and well-known researchers and teachers. Atmospheric science and air pollution related studies today would not have been possible without the hard work, determination and vision of various well-known names in India. Dr. Baig stands out as one of the most prominent names to take atmospheric research to next level in India. He has published more than 250 top-quality peer-review research papers with more than 5,500 citations, books related to ozone and climate change, delivered various invited talks at national as well as international level. He also chaired various national and international committees which were at forefront tackling the climate change issues across the globe. It would be unfair towards Dr. Baig if his contribution is quantified only in terms of facilities he established, research papers he published, collaborations he created, and services to community he offered. Another important dimension of success is the capacity building he has done through his career by guiding doctoral students. All his students are currently well placed in reputed institutions of India as well as abroad, doing excellent research and carrying the torch Dr. Baig has handed over to them. This ensures that legacy continues.